Am I in focus? Am I not in focus? What's up, Boss Fam? It's your boy DJ The Boss, and I'm back with another video. Today, I want to talk about sales. I want to give you guys a couple of tips to help you in your sales, selling your commercial cleaning business, and kind of putting together your sales copy and how you're going to talk about your business to potential clients and to commercial clients, because I think there might be a slight disconnect for those of you who are doing residential and are trying to get into commercial and you're trying to use the same language and it just doesn't work. What I'm going to tell you today, it will help you in all assets of sales. So it'll help you just kind of zone in on your target buyer and speak to them in a way that actually converts for your business. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. Stick around.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursue it. Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days.
All right, Boss Fam. Shout out to y'all, man. We are above 5,000 subscribers, which is crazy. I am so thankful. I appreciate y'all, man. Let's keep running it up. Like this video for your boy and subscribe to the channel. One of the best things you can do for your business is to be on a continuous learning journey, and that means subscribing to channels like this and anything in the industry or about business that you feel is valuable. If it brings you value, you should be subscribing to that channel so that information can come to you. It's another business system that you can make automatically. There you go, and one for free. But today's about sales, and I want to talk about how to approach sales and how to approach kind of writing your sales messages and your sales copy. One of the things that I didn't realize that I could do in sales when starting my cleaning business is that I could sell my process and the way that I do things and the way that we do cleaning. I was always looking for a core competency, which is something specifically that your business brings to the table that you feel no other business brings. But in the beginning, you don't really have a core competency. You're really just trying to figure things out. And so I discovered that I was able to kind of sell my process. And as I put more of my process and some of the things that we train employees on, then sales began to close a lot faster. And I also began to speak in benefits on top of the features. When I say selling your process and selling the way that you do things, for example, I actually got a client that reached out. We went through the whole process once they signed up, and then I think within the first week or so, I'm emailing just to kind of do follow-up and checks. And during that time, I kind of asked, what made you choose us out of whoever else you were considering? They were saying that they had saw one of our pieces of content online that reference to our color-coded microfiber towel system. I'll show you guys the sign. I'll probably do some B-roll. I just made that kind of just experimenting, and it was probably during training as I was training like employees, and I was like, oh, this is kind of cool. I think clients might enjoy seeing it if I posted it online. They just so happened to love that. They was like, oh, that's really cool. I think that's really cool that you guys have this color-coded way of making sure there's no cross-contamination. They were sustainability nuts, so it just clicked with them and sat well with them, and it enticed them to do business with us over someone else who just didn't share anything about their process. Actually sharing how we do a certain thing kind of let clients in a little bit more, and I think it's really cool, and that's worked for us more times than not. But when you do things like that, make sure you're speaking to benefits and not just features. So yes, we have a color-coded microfiber system. That's cool. That's a cool feature. But the benefit is that there's no risk of contamination because we have this system in place. So there is no risk of cross-contamination. That would be the benefit. Another feature benefit situation would be, the feature is we clean with HEPA filtrated vacuums. That's a cool feature. The client may not even know what that means, but the benefit is what it does for them is it cleans the air while we clean, so you have better air quality. You'll be able to work in a higher air quality environment. That's the benefit for the employee. So when you're writing sales copy and you're coming up with marketing, you want to make sure you're talking in benefits for the employee. So you can mention the features, but make sure you are also always including the benefit for the employee. No one cares about anything other than what's in it for them. What are they going to get? And if you're listing features, they may not care about what your features are and how great you think you are. They just want to know, what are we going to get? What's in it for me? What are we going to get? What's going to happen for us after you've done your job or once you've provided your service? Hey, I just wanted to bring you guys a couple of tips, and hopefully this will spark some ideas for you guys to write some better sales copy. If you guys don't have a way to present your business to potential clients, I have created a free resource for you. It is my cleaning business proposal. It's a template, so you'll have to change my branding to your branding, change my pictures to your pictures and all of that whatnot. But I still use it to this day to pitch 20, even 50, $70,000 a month client. And it's my gift to you guys. So you don't have to struggle in that area. It's not a contract, so it's not going to replace your contract, but it is going to be able to present your offer to your potential clients in a more professional or pretty way for your business. And I think it'll help you close at a much higher rate. So give that a try. Let me know what you think of it. The link is in the description. Like this video for your boy. The algorithm loves the likes, and I like them too. It makes me feel good, to be honest. So like the video for your boy and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.